So I get quite a lot of questions about what is the best laptop or computer for hacking, cybersecurity, or even programming. So in this video, what I'll do is I'll answer all of your questions and then you should be off to the races. Overall, the short answer is you don't need some $50,000 PC or laptop. Just about anything that runs smoothly is absolutely fine. Like for example, I myself don't have some high-end multi-million machine. I will explain a little later what components I have and my reasoning behind it. Now the good thing is if you're actually learning cybersecurity and you are on Try Hack Me or Hack the Box a lot, then you are actually fine for at least a year or even up to 3 years before you start doing any bug bounty / pen testing. And then you may only need an upgrade, and I would not even say so because you can always get a VPS, right? But I'll talk about VPSs later on. However, if you really want to buy a device or you need to buy a device, then I would highly recommend a PC. But that is my only preference and that may not be the best for your situation. If you travel a lot, for example, or if you're a student, then a laptop may suit you better. However, if you are struggling between choosing a PC or a laptop, then I would just probably recommend a PC. PCs always have less cooling issues and it is always easier to replace parts in a PC rather than replace a part in a laptop. And also parts for PCs are much cheaper. Now, what components should you actually focus on? Get a good CPU. Now, I would recommend getting lots of RAM. I have 64 gigs, but 32 gigs should also be fine. Less than 32 gigs and you might have issues later on. Lots of storage for virtual machines and files that you may need. Now, additionally, dual monitors or even triple monitors might be a good idea. Without dual monitors, I would struggle as pen testing on one monitor and having notes or even googling stuff on the other is really a blessing, and you will find yourself for this basically comforting feature. However, obviously the dual monitors, it is just an extra, it is not a requirement. So overall, all of these parts should not cost you maybe more than $600. I mean, most of you have PCs, so just upgrade them, right? Buy more RAM and that's it. But before you buy anything, make sure that all the parts you are buying are compatible with your motherboard and with your PC. DDR3 RAM sticks will not fit a DDR4 motherboard. Please learn the difference, because if you buy DDR3, it's not gonna fit DDR4, right? Learn the difference, and even there's DDR5. So please learn the difference. Now, VPSs are basically cloud services. For bug bounty and for hacking, I use DigitalOcean. I know that there are free service providers, but I'm okay with paying $16 a month. The $16 a month I pay is absolutely fine for my use, and I cannot really complain. I've never really had problems, and it is simple to set everything up. Now, for the components I have in my PC are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. But as I said before, check the compatibility of these parts on any compatibility checking website before you buy anything, because if you buy something, you might not be able to refund it and you will basically lose money. Right, so that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you would like to learn ethical hacking and possibly make some money, don't forget to check my course, which will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, please just comment down below and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And peace.